volume of cone. Okay, cone, volume of cone. So this is cone, as you can see on the your screen. It is like prism, pyramid. Okay, cone is a pyramid with a circular base. Right. The formula of its volume is therefore the same as for any other pyramid. So what is the volume of pyramid? 1 over 3 base area times height. Same formula for the cone, volume of cone. Okay, 1 over 3 base area since, but there is one thing in cone, its base will always be circle. Okay, so area of circle here, what is area of circle? You guys know area of circle is pi r square. Okay, pi r square, this is pi r square, right? So that's why this pi r square here, and height means this, height means this length. He has shown here height. So when we, okay, measure, this is called the height. This is the height of cone, and this is v. V means vertex. Okay, this is the vertex of cone. Okay, this is height. This is the base. This r means radius. Okay, and this is called L. This is called the L. L means you can say this height is called L. You can say it's slant height. Okay, it's slant height, or you can say sloping height. Okay, slant height or sloping height. In some book you find this slant word, in your book it's sloping.
It's like hypotenuse, right, sir? If you
Sorry.
see it like it's similar to like a hypotenuse because like there's
Yeah,
a
yes,
triangle.
yes, of course, you are absolutely right. It's hypotenuse. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, you are absolutely right. This is called, this L is slant height or sloping height. Radius means base, and this height, this is H. Okay, vertex V. This is O. Suppose this is A. So we have a relation L square equals to H square plus R square. Absolutely correct, Devila. Good, intelligent. Okay. So Devila is correct. This is hypotenuse. Okay, you can see this is right triangle. So R, this is the base, H is the altitude of perpendicular, right? So L square equals to H square plus R square. This is the relation between these three dimensions, correct? And formula for the volume 1 over 3 pi R square H. Okay, so we move to the exercise. Now look at the exercise. This is question number 1, right? Calculate the volume of each of the following cones. Use the values for the base radius and what. Okay, so you can do any one question, there's not a problem. For example, I'm doing this part C. For
Okay,
example, I
sir.
part C. Okay, when I see part
Okay.
C, this is 8 mm and this is 2 centimeter. So either you convert mm into centimeter or centimeter into millimeter. So what I'm doing here, Devila, is 2 centimeter equals to 20 millimeter. I can write. I prefer to convert this into small. When we have one small, another is big. So I prefer small. Okay. So here now radius is 8 millimeter and height is 20 millimeter. So question number 1C, volume of cone. Okay, volume of cone. In short, you can write V or sometimes VOL. You guys can write. Volume of cone equals to 1 over 3 pi r square h. Okay, so 1 over 3 pi means 3.14. R, you know, part C I'm doing. This is 8, it's a square, and h is 20. Okay, so you can put this value in your calculator and then you can solve. Just check it. See how much you're getting. So this is the 3.14 times 64 times 20. This is 4019 by 3. So 133973. 1339.73. Okay, 73 millimeter cube, cube. Okay, millimeter cube. So this is question number 1C, guys. This is what question number 1C. Clear? Check this calculation in your calculator. Volume equals to 0.04 meter cube and height is 145 millimeter. So convert this into meter. I prefer to convert this into meter. H equals to, you can write 145 over 1000. Okay, 1000. I think you guys know 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter. Okay, so this will be 145 over 1000 means this is 3 place decimal, 0.145 meter. Okay, 0.145 meter. This is what height. Now question number 2D. Volume equals to, I'm writing V equals to, okay, volume. V means volume, 1 over 3 pi r square h. Okay, so volume we have 0.04. Okay, meter cube. 1 over 3 pi means 1 over 3 pi means 3.14. H r square, r we have to find out, h is 0.145. Okay, so how can you solve? You substitute these number here. 0.4 times 3 over this is 3.14. 3.14 times 0.145. This is the value of r square. So first of all, we find out the value of r square. So we have 0.04 times 3, 1.2. Okay, divide this 0.12 by 0.12 by 3.14, 3.14. Okay, then divide by 0.145. So I'm getting this r square equals to, I'm getting, if I write this up to 4 places, 0.2636. Okay, why 4 places? Because later I have to round it up to 2 places. That's why, because this is the value of r square, not r. So this now for this 0.2636. This will be point, yeah, write this up to 3 places because here h is up to 3 places. That's why round it up to this point 513. 513. Okay, write this up to 3 significant figure. This much meter. Okay, this much meter. C means circumference of the base. L means sloping a height or slant height. Okay, so let's question number 3. I'm taking question number 3A. Okay, question number 3A. So look, first of all, draw this one, then you will be able to understand. This is the base. Base is the circular. Okay, we have circular base, and this is the height. This is the center of the base. This will be radius, and this will be slant. Okay, so this is called L, slant height. This is called height, and this is called radius. Okay, and this is called the C, circumference. Okay, circumference. C is what? This red dotted part, circumference of the base. This dotted part is called circumference of the base. Okay. Now what we will do, if you look at C is given. Okay. So C is what? Suppose C is equals to this 50 centimeter, right? So C means circumference. What is the formula for circumference? 2 times pi times r equals to 50. Okay. Circumference is given. So r will be equals to 50 over 2 times of pi. Okay, 2 times of pi, or you can write directly, you can write 50 over 2 times of 3.14. And no problem, if you don't want to write 3.14, you can put this value in your calculator, 2 pi. Your calculator will directly give you this answer. Okay, so 50 divided by 6.28. 6.28, this gives me 7.96. Okay, 7.9. This is the radius. This is what? Radius. Radius we have got 7.96 centimeters. Right? Okay. Now we have L is L equals to, here if you see L equals to 15. Look here, this L equals to 15 centimeter. C equals to 50, L equals to 50. Okay. Now we have to find out H. So in the beginning we discussed the formula L square equals to H square plus R square. L means 15, it's a square. H square plus R square, R is 7.96 square. So calculate this one. Square of 15 is 225. Okay. And you can shift the square of 7.96 this side, and this will be negative. 7.96 times 7.96. Okay. So this is gonna to be 63.36 equals to H square. Right. So H equals to, you can write square root of this 225 minus 63.36. So this is 161.64. Okay. And then find out its square root. Square root of 161.64. This is 12.71 centimeter. Okay, so we have got radius we had to find out. We have got vertical height. Okay, now we have to find out volume. Okay, so for volume, you know what formula you have to use. Y equals to 1 over 3 pi r square h. 1 over 3, pi is 3.14, r is 7.96, its whole square, h means 12.71. This calculation you can do yourself. Okay, you'll get the volume of this one. So when we have to find out curved surface area, so it means you need to find out this one. First of all, curve face. So this is the curve face. This is the curve face. Okay, this upper one is the curve face. Okay, area of curve face. So this area is pi times I r times L. This is pi r L. Okay, and second is this one, base area. So this is the base area. So this base area is pi r square. Okay. So if you wish, you can take pi r common, and you can write L plus R. Or if you wish, you can find out this first pi r L curve face area and then base area, and then you can add them. So this is also thing which you can do. Okay. So note down the formula. There is only one formula for the surface area of cone. So when we'll calculate the surface area, each of the following, okay? So suppose I'm taking question 1A. So what is the form? This is 16 means L. 16 means length of sloping edge or slant height. And this 6 means this is the R. Okay, R equals. Okay, calculate the surface area. So what we find out? Question number 1A. First of all, what we have to find out? Area of curve face. Area of curve face. Okay, what is curve face? This is the curve face. Its area is pi times R times L. Okay, that is pi times R times L. So pi means 3.14. Okay, 3.14. R means 6. L means 16. Okay, multiply it. So 3.14 times 6 times 16. So 301.44 centimeter square. Okay, this is this upper curve face area and the base area. Okay, base area. What is base area? Base area means area of circle, pi r square. Okay, since it's circle. So 3.14 radius is 6, it's square. So 3.14 times 36 becomes 113.04 centimeters. Okay, right? Is it okay? So total surface area. This is total surface. This was, now we have to find out total surface area. Total. Okay. This is question number 1. Okay. Question number 1 is total surface area means 301.44 and 113.04. Add this is 4 plus 4 8. This is 4. 1 plus 3 4. 0 plus 1 1. Oh, so many 4 are coming. Centimeter cube. Okay, guys. Square. This is question number. Okay, question number 1A. It's not 2. Understanding? So don't get confused. 2 I will do here. So question number 1A. First we are finding the area of curve face, that is pi r L, and then area of base, that is pi r square. This I am getting 303.14. Sorry, 300. As you can see, this area is 301.44. The base area 113.04. Okay, then add both area. That will be total surface area of the cone. Area of this curve face. Area of this curve is, this is again pi times R times L, but here L is different. Okay, we are 30. 3.14 times R means 8 and times 30. Okay, you can calculate. Then total surface area. Total surface area. When you have to find out total surface area, add both areas. Add both areas. Okay, you are getting this first area and second area. Add both. Okay, that will be total surface area. Right? We have the two cones have been stuck. right? Since two cone have been stuck, so we will not count the circular area because the circular area is inside, that's hidden, that's not visible. Surface area means the portion which is visible, which you can touch, right? Which is means outside. So the base is not outside. Both base stuck to each other, so that that part goes in. Okay, so that will be not counted in surface area. Calculate this one and add. So there are only